Hi everyone, long time no see. I know I haven't been too active on social media lately, but it's been a busy start to the summer here at my house. We're just doing a few small renovations and then we're visiting with family, things like that, so I am working on the side, but just not making it my everyday priority. But I do have 6 new little junk journal kits listed in my Etsy store, and I wanted to show them to you. So what I've got is 6 kits that feature a companion library book intact, and then I've coordinated a small kit to go with the colors of the cover. So what I'll do is I'll show you the kit that goes with the Heidi book, and then I'll just show you the books from the other 5 kits, because each one is going to have the same amount of things but that coordinate with that book. So this one here is Heidi, and these are all from 1963. This is the other side. So you could choose, if you wanted to use this for a junk journal, you could choose which side you prefer. But I did coordinate the kit to go with Heidi here. And sometimes there are illustrations in these. So these would be fun. You can use them to make, backgrounds, envelopes, all kinds of ephemera, embellishments, things like that. The end papers are always fun in these books. Okay, so in each kit I'm going to have 6 scrapbook papers. These are all 8.5 by 11. So you can fold them in half and make journal pages with them. Or you could create envelopes or anything you like. So these all go with the Heidi cover here with the purple and blue and some green. And then there's some illustrated children's book pages, so these are fun for collage. That's a French one. This is also French. And then I've got 3 larger doilies. These are the 5.5-inch round doilies. And there's a set, there's about 5 of these. They're still all together. These are the smaller ones. These are about 3.5, 4 inches. Some little merchandise tags. These are fun. You could spray them with colored inks. You can coffee stain them. There's an alteration tag and an inventory tag. There are 3 guest checks. These I coffee stain them. Sometimes I stamp some images on there, or I embellish them, do some collage on here. Some flashcards, math flashcards, some different kinds here. This one here is like for words. This here is also a type of math game of sorts. Little papers from a word game. So you can use these as journaling spots. And then just an assortment of playing cards. So we've got these here from Uno Spin. A couple of old-made cards. These here I'd never seen before this game, but I liked the bright colors, so I picked up this pack. And then some playing cards here. SpongeBob SquarePants, Patrick. I've also got a couple of these little tokens, and these you can alter do some collage on here. Use them as tabs on the edge of your pages. I'm sure there's all kinds of things you could do with these. So on the back of this one there's a tiger. This one here says egg. So each of the kits would have similar tokens. These are little stickers, little sticker sheets. So there's dots and lines. And then each kit's gonna have either stickers or rub-ons. So these are just the larger die-cut chipboard shapes in some pretty colors. And then a 6x6 paper pad. So this one here has some really nice patterns and colors, and I thought it would look good in a feminine type journal. And then each kit is going to have a postcard from the Soviet Union. It's all written in Russian. Beautiful colors here. And then a first day cover envelope, and each one will be different. Okay. This one here is from June 1987. There's a mountain goat there, so I thought that would be appropriate to go with the Heidi book. I tried to match the stamp with whatever book cover I was, whatever book I was including in the kits, but it's not always as obvious as a mountain goat for Heidi, for example. So the next kit will have this Robin Hood book, so some really gorgeous bright colors. The back of this one is a little lame prince. Very cute illustrations. So this kit will have all the same types of things, but just in coordinating colors with Robin Hood. Then I've got Tom Sawyer Detective. And this is the other story on the other side. Robinson Crusoe. And Swiss Family Robinson on the other side. So really nice colors. And then I have Black Beauty. This is a favorite of many people, I'm sure. Call of the Wild. And then finally, The Prince and the Pauper. Really love this cover. And this is the other side. So these are in my Etsy shop now. All the links are below. I am not sure when I will have another video. I'm really trying to organize my workspaces and just try to enjoy the summer with family as well. So I will be back as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. See you next time. Bye.